Let's take a look at weighted averages in Excel. If you're doing this equals average and then just taking all of your scores, it gives you an 88.75, but that's actually incorrect because it's assuming that your tests are weighted the same as your quizzes and attendance and then also your projects. So the correct way to do this is go ahead and type equals SUMPRODUCT. And this does exactly what the name says. It adds everything up after multiplying. So the first array we have is weight. Go ahead and highlight that column. And then it's asking, okay, what's the other one that you want to multiply by? And that would be our score. So you can go ahead and take this and then hit enter. And notice how our grade is actually a 93.15. So in that case, we're taking into account the different weights because we did pretty well on our tests. One thing to keep in mind though is that if your weights are more than 100%, you do need to divide by the sum of your weights just to make sure that it'll be calculating correctly. But if your weights are adding up to 100%, you should be good to go.